Number 12. A map of Kansas State is approximate by rectangular in shape. Okay, that's a mistake, right? I'm just supposed to be giving you these two pyramids, and you need to find the ratio of the volume, find the ratio of the surface area, and then find the scale factor. Okay, to do that, you need to understand about these property relationships. All right, so the volume, okay, of your second object over your first one cubed is the same thing as the b over a squared, which is the same thing as b over a. Okay, so let's take the volume first. So we have the volume. This is going to be new. No, this is going to be the old, and this is the new. So we can do 343 over 216. This is going to be the volume. Okay. Now, to get it into the length, or just the scale factor, we have to cube it, right? So what is the cube root of 343? So 343 which is 7. And then the cube root of 216, it is 6. So the scale factor here is 7 over 6. The ratio of the volume was 343 over 216. And then we can get the surface area. Okay. And the surface area one, which is the squared version. So 7 squared, which is 49. And the 6 squared is 36. So the surface area formula ratio is 49 over 36. So it went from 7 over 6 for the length ratio, 49 over 36 for the area ratio. Then when it became its volume, it became 343 over 216. That's the relationship between the volume, surface area, and the scale factor.